Welcome to Daily Life Adventure. Today we'll explore home, school, food, playtime, and bedtime together. Let's see what happens in a child's day.
This is Wake Up.
Wake up!
After waking up, we get ready for the day.
This is brush teeth. Brush teeth. Once we brush, it's time for breakfast.
This is breakfast. After breakfast, we go to school. This is wash hands. Wash hands. Clean hands help us stay healthy.
This is comb hair. Comb hair. Now we're ready to get dressed.
This is get dressed.
Get dressed.
Dressed and ready for school.
This is drink water. Drink water. Drinking water keeps us strong. This is help parents. Helping makes family time special.
Thank you, Ellie.
You're a big help.
This is clean room. A clean room makes us happy.
This is family time.
Family time.
After family time, it's off to school.
Let's start at home. We'll wake up, brush teeth, and get ready for the day.
We woke up, brushed teeth, and had breakfast at home. Now it's time to go to school.
Now it's time for school. We'll learn in class, play with friends, and ride the bus.
This is a classroom.
Classroom.
After class, we go outside to play. This is a playground. After play, we spend time with friends. These are friends. Friends make school fun, and we learn from our teacher too.
This is a teacher. Teacher. Teachers help us learn with books.
These are books. With books, we can write and draw. This is writing. Writing. After writing, we enjoy drawing. This is drawing. Drawing. After drawing, we love reading stories.
This is reading. Reading. After reading, it's lunchtime at school.
This is lunch. Lunch. After lunch, we ride the school bus home. This is a school bus.
School bus!
After the bus ride, it's time for food at home.
Yay, bye-bye! We learned in class, played with friends, and rode the bus. Now let's eat together in Food World.
After school, it's time to eat delicious food.
Let's eat together. We'll see fruits, vegetables, and yummy meals. These are fruits. Fruits. Fruits give us energy for the day. These are vegetables.
Vegetables help us grow strong.
This is a meal. Meal. Meals keep us healthy and happy.
This is milk. Milk makes our bones strong. This is bread.
Bread.
Bread is part of many meals.
This is rice. Rice. Rice is eaten all around the world.
This is soup. Soup warms us up and tastes great.
This is juice. Juice is made from fruits.
This is a snack.
Snack.
Snacks give us energy between meals.
This is dessert. Dessert is a sweet treat after meals.
We saw fruits, vegetables, and yummy meals. Now we have energy for Playtime World.
After eating, we have energy to play.
Now it's playtime. We'll explore toys, games, and sports together. These are toys. Toys make playtime fun.
These are games. Games help us play together.
This is sports. Sports keep us active and strong.
This is a ball. Balls are fun to throw and catch.
This is a swing. Swings make us feel like we're flying.
This is a slide.
Slide.
Slides are fun at playtime. This is a puzzle. Puzzles make us think and learn.
Blocks. Blocks. These are blocks. Blocks help us build and create. Yay! Look at the tower.
This is hide and seek.
Hide and seek. It's fun to play with friends.
This is dance. Dance! Dancing makes playtime even more fun.
We played with toys, games, and sports. Now it's bedtime in Bedtime World. After playtime, it's bedtime. Let's get ready to sleep.
Finally, it's bedtime. We'll take a bath, wear pajamas, and say goodnight.
This is bath.
Bath!
After bath, we put on pajamas.
These are pajamas. Pajamas keep us cozy for bedtime.
This is sleep.
Sleep!
Sleep helps us rest for tomorrow.
This is story time. Stories make bedtime magical.
Yay, it's so magical!
This is good night. After good night, we see the stars.
These are stars. Stars shine while we sleep.
This is the moon. Moon! The moon watches over us at night.
This is dream. Dreams make sleep wonderful. This is blanket.
Blanket!
Blankets keep us warm at night.
This is teddy bear. Teddy bear! Teddy bears make bedtime special.
We took a bath, wore pajamas, and said goodnight. That's the end of our daily life adventure. After bedtime, the day is complete. Let's recap our adventure.
We learned about homeschool, food, playtime, and bedtime in Daily Adventure. Every part of the day has something special to discover.
Great job exploring daily life adventure. You followed Ellie through the whole day, from morning to bedtime. Tomorrow we'll learn something new together.
See you next time in Daily Life Adventure. Sweet dreams, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning.